Mix, alam mo ano kita manyaman, itang manyaman. Manyaman. Tsaka may ganyan spontane. Dating lagyo ng Salvatore.
Sabi daw, they serve the best pizza in town.
Balyo. Episode din eh. Special yun. Balo mo bakit? Na.
Hi, I'm back.
Kasi kompleto kami.
Ay, tahimik na. Wala mo chuta mo siyo.
Kaya ako sipot ang mabait la rin kutsara. So pepalol nung darang birthday tang
Special.
special na. Matahimik. Bala mo ting bisita.
We are here right now against Spontini PH. Apin ni formerly Salvatore sa Chula Mukening along Fields Avenue, Kening. Malapit mo kayong Walking Street, just across the Angeles City Police Station number 4. Kita nga na nitong Children's Park ka. Wow, Children's Park. Team parking ka rin dyan. Kung yan itikmantala, syempre, retang karelang special. Please take note, this is a paid sponsorship, so baka salamat. Spontini PH.
So first on the menu is sea
He
urchin.
loves me. He loves me.
Italian sea urchin.
Ano ba yan, par?
Ano yan? Spontini salad.
260.
Agin mo rin ang fresh na paro. Ang pungatin niyang klaseng cheese yan. Apin din ang cheese na yung balusab yan eh.
Parmesan. Parmesan.
Corrected.
Ano? Alway sinabi? Parmesan.
Ayun.
Wrong.
Besa-besa na kami na naman.
Yes.
Benenini. Vinaigrette.
Balsamic.
Balsamic vinaigrette.
Obviously, alam yung balo.
Iyo
Pero
kayo.
sigurado ko po
You
sabihan
put
ni
it-
Kevin itong made with real Italian.
Since it's Italian food, is it made out of real Italians?
Tiger Sapporo made out of real tigers. Baby back ribs. It's imported from Spain. Lalasa yung Spanyol. Meron ka rin pero mas something features about Spontini is that itang serving the premium. You can find this in Balamo, medyo fine dining restaurant. You know? Pero itang pricing.
Linawin mo lang ang presyo doon eh. Ikit ko na, nung yung budget mo sakto yan mo, sakto ka ganyan. Nung yung budget mo maragulya, sakto ka pa rin ganyan.
I'm a very salad person. Buriging ngipon eh, kapangan ko rin.
Paro?
Refreshing, very light.
I like the cheese.
Itang kay.
Basically, mo kayo pwedeng dalagay patag.
Ining white upload ay ni. Apin niya maging testament ng marami kaya karin at mga.
Okay, next on the table is aglio olio.
Alyo olyo. 295.
295.
295 ba?
Okay.
Ito lagi ako good for 2 in eh. Sharing. 2 to 3. Ne? Malaria.
Balita ko, yung pasta kayo ni is al dente.
Oh.
So nung bigla kayo mag-cream pasta,
Sabi tayo, putiin.
Totoo yun eh, mag-extract lang yung spontaneous.
Combustion. Kuya Bruno, al dente yun. Very firm pero ali makatakas siya.
Ano mag-crepe yung pasta lover kayo, this is the place.
What? 295
Place to go to.
Itang oil na nitang alyo olyo. Ma-oil eh. Bakit explain eh. Ang kapampangan siguro tataba. Flavorful. Kang mamita.
Sobra kanyaman, may wala ni Kevin, yun na nabalo na sabihan.
Lasagna. 385 for sharing. 3 good for 3. Maybe even 4 nung daka kayo order ang gaming. Kasi na yung karakal, no? It's a boat.
Ikuanin tong mochi.
You can smell it right in front of you.
That mozzarella.
Because it's right in front of you.
Iiyak ko na naman may cabinet yung table. Sorry.
Pati mo suggestion pa tayo mama kong lasagna. Buri ko pa natin yung chili sauce. Chili sauce.
Ay, sorry for the third time.
You're supposed to be the hotel person. Almost.
Hotel picture.
Yung balo nung may kamali ko kahit yung egg may tang pasta eh. Hindi ko ako umuwi laman. Malaman yung malaman. And it's very cheesy as well.
Nung mag-date kayo kay Batat niya, third wheel, kiyay ni order.
Uy, chaya.
Nung ating tres leches, kaya niyating halila talaga. Lulang pizza rin. Inina nini.
Kebs, you just read it.
Continue special.
Hawaiian. Picante. It's called picante. Picante na pepperoni. Italia. Pero kaya ang pepperoni dito. Hawaiian is 235, Condini Special is 350, and Picante is 295. Sa 10-inch la rin.
How many
That's what she
slices?
said.
8 slices.
Oh,
Alright.
that's 6 lang.
8.
It's 6.
6?
6.
Tama? 6!
Okay, so at yung ipapatent king internet, yung pizza, dapat dyan yung pineapple ole. Siguro kanya-kanya mong trip.
Hindi ako flavorful yan. Kasi,
Polvo.
okay. So, itong crust lang eh. Okay.
Pulbo.
Pati yan, Johnson.
Ilang balas.
Cheers! To pizza.
Tama.
Cheers! Nanalo ko?
Narano ka niya, par?
Slow mo.
Slow mo yan. Alright. Tenderloin steak with mushroom, cheese sauce, topped with potato chips. Nung solo ya, it's 380. Nung sharing naman, mas maragol, 650. Amo, guys. Manyaman ken. Of course, you have red meat, gotta have red wine.
Oh.
By the way guys, patin lang house wine. Pwede tayong i-pair up Kenny and also pasta.
As a former hotelier and a current hotelier, namin mamatch kayong red wine.
Tinabi mo na din.
Sinabi din eh, ala ko eh, makasabi.
And in red wine kasi, usually pa siya karang steaks, papalwal na pa itang flavor na nitang steak ako kanan. So,
And one of
enhance
the best sellers yun eh.
And for a reason, malambot yan.
Highly recommend kayo ni Pache mag-date kayo.
Ay, mataktam lahat ang pilampasan na.
Manyaman eh.
Ay, Chaya, nung mamita kang nasi, hindi para kaya ka baked pork barbecue. 288 pesos ito ng iced tea. Manyari-yari man-order alwa. Pork sisig, pork sinigang, arobu, and others.
Nung hardcore ka, ating baby back ribs. Maya pang yating ang baby. 420 pesos only.
Wala eh, sorry Jane eh. With the local seal of approval, 288.
Rice is rice.
Full meal, 288. Solid yan.
I love that.
Yung labang pasta alige for 295. Very smoky aroma, very strong flavor.
Sorry, yung mahilig ka rin creamy pasta.
Mga creamy pastas. Kay batating niya pang shrimp.
Galing.
Solid ya?
Speechless, I wish there was something to say.
Solid yan. Okay, guys! Spontini PH.
Open niya ini guys from Monday to Sundays, 3 p.m. to
12
midnight.
So nung bisa ako mag-inuman Kenny, malyari at ilang buckets of beer at ilang wine. Go check it out guys. Kami,
The
we're
pastas
out.
and
Bene!